Okay guys, in this episode I want to show you how to install a custom kicker speaker. These two speakers I ordered, these two are gonna go into the Jeep JK 2017 soundbar. So this is the two custom that I'm gonna be replacing the stock soundbar speakers. Okay, so to do that, let's put this aside. These are the tools that you need. You need a screwdriver, power screwdriver, or any manual screwdriver. Then you will need the torque bit. Okay, so as you can see here, this torque bit. That's what you need to remove the front grille screw. So I will show you how to do that. Okay, so without further ado, let's go to the Jeep and I show you where they are. Okay, so basically what we're gonna do is just coming over here, and I actually gonna show you that. Okay, so if you look over, okay, that's the sound bar. So in the Jeep, sound bar on both sides, as you can see, right? So this is the sound bar that we gonna be working on. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove. So you need to remove these screws. Okay, there's 3 screws on here. You remove that, and then the top will come down. The front grill will come down, and then we'll remove the we're gonna remove the speaker and then put back the custom speaker. So this is the stock speakers in here, so we're gonna do that next. So I'm go ahead to remove the rest of the screw here. Okay, okay, so once the grill comes off, you see this is the stock. So one thing that you need to pay attention with is, if you can see, let me show you. Okay, on the speaker itself there are little ear on the side. Okay, and on this side there's 3 screws. So one here, one over here, okay, and one on this side. Okay, so 3 of them, but one of the ear is longer than the other 2. Okay, so these 2, this side and this side, are shorter, but this is the longest. So for the longest one, okay, you want to put the replacement speaker kind of the same way. You replace that on the longer ears into this hole. Okay, so I will go ahead and remove this screw here, all 3 of them, and then the speaker will come out. When you take the last screw, basically hold on to the speaker, because the weight of the speaker will break this ear, and in case you don't care about it. So as you pull it down, you see this little white clip here. Okay, that white clip, see if you can see that. Okay, so that white clip is basically where you gonna disconnect the speaker and replace it with the stock. I mean with the custom one. So this is the stock. We'll take the stock out. Just push the clip right there. There's a little clip. Use your thumb and push it down and pull. There you go. Now the white connector comes out. Okay, so it's only gonna go one way. You don't have to worry if you have the polarity reverse or anything like that. You don't have to worry about that. So we're gonna take this off. Okay. Okay, so this is a stock speaker, as you can see here. Okay, you can see it's not a heavy duty speaker. Very light. Okay, let's compare that to the aftermarket kicker speaker. So you see the kicker speaker is right here. Okay, look at that. The magnet on here is huge, and it's also compared to here, right? You can see it's not as big as this guy. So you can tell the magnet here is so small compared to the kicker speaker. Okay, and the kicker speaker is very heavy. It's probably 3 times the weight of the stock speaker. So let's go ahead. Like I pointed out to you earlier, there's a shorter ear and there's a longer one. So we're gonna put the longer one where we pull this out, the longer ear over here. Alright, so that's very simple. Let's do that. Alright, so now this is the replacement speaker, the kicker. Okay, so the kicker has the connector here, so we just reconnect that back. So you can't get it wrong, it's only one way. Okay, you push it in, you hear the clip, the clicking there. You can basically push this in to make sure the orientation of the ear is correct. As you can see there. Okay. Just want to make sure it's right. Okay, that's there, correct. All in there, ready to go. Just screw this one in now by hand, just not tightening them yet. Kind of just get that in there, and get one more in on this side so the speaker doesn't come down. Kind of hold it in place basically. Okay, then we're doing the third screw there. Let me get this in a little bit more. Okay, yeah, you can see it's pretty much in there, and then the third screw right there. Now we can tie them. Okay, not too tight. Don't need to be, just a little snug basically. Okay, that's done. Install is done. Now we just put the grill back. Okay, as you can see, there's only one way to go to get the grill back. Do the same thing. I'll put the screw in here for the grill. Okay, that's one. Get this one in here. It helps when you have power screwdriver, so you don't have to turn, but you have to know when to stop. You don't want to force and break the plastic. Just take your time and carefully just really kind of give it a little snug. You don't have to over tighten. Okay, so that's it for this side. We go to the driver's side and do that all over again. Alright, so now we're on the driver's side. So as you can see here, same thing, it's just a repeat from the passenger side. I'm using the same torque screw, same side, so let's loosen them up. There you go, one. Two. Okay. And this is the third one. Okay. They all come down nicely. Alright. And again, you can see again, position. There's a long ear. Also look for that. Should be all in the same spot. So this is the long side. These two are the short sides. Okay. So take that out. Okay. Make sure I got my screw all together here. Alright. That one out as well. And then get this one. Alright, so you can see all the screw are out. Also it helps when you have power screwdriver magnet tips. So hold the screw for you so it doesn't fall on your face. So here you go. You can see that cable same way. Kind of push the clip over here. There's a clip. You just have to use your thumb. Okay, use your thumb here, like I do here. Push it in. Let me show you closer. Okay, so that's what the clips look like. All right. Sorry about the noise. Big truck just drove by. Okay, pull it up, and the speaker comes loose. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully you can still see there's a big hole. Okay, so now we just reconnect this and then put it back. Clip. Okay, and just shovel everything back in there, and then you can just use the screw, tight it with your over the time with vibration from the bass and everything, so you don't want it to have that thing comes loose. So next, again, the grill goes in. Okay. Oops. Good to go. And thanks for watching. If you think this is helpful, please leave comment or any comment that you want to post or have question. do so, or if you like this installation, give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.